Hello friends, in front of me Miss Isha Singh ji sitting. She had scored 88% marks in CA final July 2021 attempt. Not only that, she is now a qualified chartered accountant. She is really very hardworking. She is dedicated to enter into finance career. She is conceptually very strong. She is practically very strong. You can see with her mark sheet that she had managed to score 88% marks in one of the toughest course of India and also the world chartered accountancy. Scoring 88% marks is not easy. Her concepts are extraordinary clear. She is really inspired by our class concepts, class coverage with practical knowledge. She is also managing her father portfolio. She had also invested in mutual funds after getting inspiration from my class. So let's ask Miss Isha Singh her journey of SFM and how she managed to score such a good marks in SFM, which will remain with her lifetime. This is one of the lifetime achievement. So please let me know your success secret.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for calling me here. And this is really motivating for me to be having an interview with you all. And if I'm talking about the SFM, it is 100% are just because of your coverage notes and your SFM Chalisa, your theory notes, and all your conceptual notes is very easy. From that is basically from base level to very high level, and this is plus point that even if a person is not doing their IPCC well, they can also manage the SFM in a final very perfectly. And this is not like that if you are not securing well in your IPCC and you are not good in a finance, but if you are willing to be achieve 100 out of 100 marks in the SFM, you will definitely manage that. And if you're connecting to the practical level, your technical knowledge, what you had already done in your class, I think this will be boost your confidence level that any question that will be asked in the examination, you will be definitely manage that question. Because in recently last 2 or 3 attempts, ICAI is changing the pattern of the question, that is making some technical to analysis you that how much understanding you have possessed. So in this thing, I think that you should compile your knowledge with your practical knowledge. So that's why you have to do first of all your concept notes and doing more and more writing practice to have understand that how to present your answer in exams. So I think that that is all about, sir, that you will definitely secure 100 out of 100 in the SFM, and that is very easy as well.
And what about the practical knowledge which helped you to invest for your father?
Practical knowledge regarding like standard deviation, volatility ratio, expenses ratio, and that is something which is technical charts analysis, Japanese candlestick analysis, and a lot of things that we have already done in our class. That is, if you are using to analysis more and more in any particular share, like in a Zomato. In recently, for example, recently I had purchased Zomato shares, and in that share I had seen the RI index and a lot of index charts, etc. So that will be definitely connecting me to my study. That seriously I am studying something which is very practical. This is not like theoretical that will not be useful for in the future. So I think that this is something.
Really, and what about the quotes which we used to give in every page of our book?
Sorry, sir?
What was that motivating? The quotations, the motivation part of the
Quotation.
class?
Okay. So that is very useful. If I'm speaking truly to you, I had read 5 to 10 quotes one day before exams, because whatever the quotes are mentioned over there in the books, this is really connected to me. That is like, this is really written for me as well only. This is really like someone is there who is standing before me, and he is seeing each and every situation that I'm facing in my life, and that is the quote just for me, that you are just getting motivated ki, then ye karna hai, like that. So
really, so
this is very, very helpful
your
quotation.
achievement will definitely be remembered years to come, and definitely you will also achieve much more greater achievements in your life.
Thank you, sir.
My only request for you is right now is that please let us know about your achievement, because that will motivate us, that will help us to share it with my students so that they can also be motivated. The main problem with CA
Yes.
is right now is negativity. So many students
Yes, sir.
are very much negative about the results. They are not able to clear their exams. They are a bit frustrated about their performance. So what I want to say with to all the students, that be positive. You need to be positive.
Yes, sir.
If Isha can do, anybody can do. Isha had all the struggles. Isha belongs to a joint family. She even could manage to study in a noise free environment. She even used to cry. She even used to think about that. I am not able to study. Let me quit this time. I will give next time. In the pandemic situation, she had faced so many problems. But after all the struggles, Isha is now being remembered as a chartered accountant, scoring such a nice marks in SFM. So if Isha can do it, anybody can do it. This message should be loud and clear.
So I want to add one line in this motivation quotation of yours. Hello?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So I'm doing my academic from the Hindi medium, and there's a lot of person. I'm doing my all class from 1 to 12 standards from Hindi medium, a government school, and I'm facing a lot of questioning mind of Hindi medium student that no, this CA chartered accountancy course, CA CMA is not for Hindi medium student, because when I meet in my school to my colleagues, they say that no, Didi, this is the course which is not for the Hindi medium. We cannot do that. इसमें तो बहुत English होता है like this. So I'm just want to tell to all the Hindi medium student that seriously there is nothing something like you have to tell in English, no problem at all. In an initial stage definitely you will facing few problem in English conversation, English in a CPT I had faced a lot of problem in English basically. But as soon as the time passes now you will definitely getting the confidence that you are able to understand. That is not like कि क्या Chinese language, that is not a Chinese language that you are not definitely not able to. So I want to give all the message to all the Hindi medium student that you will definitely go ahead with the CA course, CS, CMA, everything is for you, and you just need to be motivated that in every situation this is my target, this is my goal, and I have to achieve that in any cost. And I had to make my parents proud, because whatever the parents are there who is letting their girls to Hindi medium, or that is something they have an idea like my father as well, that they want to getting my married after 12th. So you have to change your parents opinion by just your efforts, that yes, please see my papa, the please, I will definitely do this, just trust on me, and no problem at all. In an initial stage you will definitely facing few problems, very little bit, trust me, very little bit, and after that as much as a stage you are crossing, you will definitely getting confidence and you will definitely become a chartered accountant.
Great, great, great. I didn't know that from Hindi medium you are able to speak such a nice English. Really, I have seen so many students who were in English medium that could not speak English, but really commendable.
Yes.
You are speaking English very, very good, and I think that many companies are also seeing our interview, and definitely they will hire you. You will have a long way to go. You have great achievements. You will have great achievement. So now I wish you all the best for your career, for your life. Now everything is smooth. Once all the struggles are gone now you are focused for your another journey. I wish you all the best, and I am also equally privileged to say that if any students ask any query from you, you will be happy to answer that query whenever you will get time, because now you are a senior to us, to all my students. At least you are senior, so they can connect to you. They can ask any query from Isha for other subjects also. So thank you, Isha, for coming and giving your valuable opinion.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
So,
you. Yeah.
can I say also one thing?
Yeah, yeah, go on. This is your platform. You can see this is
Okay,
your
okay.
time. You have to say.
Uh, So actually, what I had experienced, I want to share to all my colleagues that please don't do that kind of mistake that I had done, and I have suffered a lot due to that. So that's why this is a platform which is given to me to talk to my all the colleagues and my friends. So that's why I'm want to share one thing more, that don't pressurize yourself that you have to secure rank. Actually, it was faced by me that I had suffered a lot due to this. I had pressurized myself that I have to secure a rank. And for that perspective, my attempt was May 2020. And due to COVID-19, there's a lot of postponement of the exams. And if you are continuously on your home and not joining any party, not going for having any movie, or not seeing any TV and all, it will be very hectic for your mind. And I had done that, something that from last 3 to 4 months, when my attempt was there in May 20, from January 2020 to May 2020, I was not attending any event, anything. I had just left everything and just reading each and every book from 10 to 12 hours in a day, that I had to secure rank. Like that was my attitude. And if after that was postponement of the examination continuously, and it is very hectic for me to be manage each and everything. So I just want to convey a particular single message to you, that even if your examination is after 1 month, you have to in a particular day, if you have to just read and have some entertainment as well. Like you can also see the Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma and everything, anything that is entertaining your mind, because relaxing your mind is very important. Because if you are giving entertainment to your mind will revert back to you with a lot of concentration and confidence level. And the second one thing is that you have to do definitely do 10 to 15 minute yoga pranayam. That is compulsory to you. That is like if you have to study compulsory in a day, compulsory you have to do 10 minute to 20 minute yoga and pranayam, definitely, to keep your mind very sharp, very relaxing. And don't take too much pressure that you have to give the rank, you have to take a ye wo. And in examination hall as well, you don't have to very burdenize your mind. You have to very calm, and you have to just have a target that you have to secure 100 out of 100, and that is it.
Great.
Nothing more expectation from
I
yourself.
just after hearing your all the things, I am thinking of taking a session, live session with you and students only. So you can
Okay.
say so many good things. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing?
Yes, sir,
So
definitely, sir.
I will not
Definitely.
be there. I will not be there.
Okay,
You
okay.
will be
No
there, and
problem.
my students will be there.
Yes, sir. Surely, sir. If I can help to
Yeah,
every
I
student,
just
it is great
after
pleasure for
hearing your
me.
such a nice thoughts, and you were just going to a life skills thing, because we as a CA
Yes,
we
sir.
ignore this. We ignore all these things
Yes, sir.
which you are said,
Definitely.
which you said. So these are
So
life
this is
skills.
something which I really need in my examination time. This is the thing that I really need, sir. Really require.
Yeah, yeah. So if even a single student can make a good choice by listening to you, then
Yes,
your purpose is done. At least you have helped
yes, sir.
and single student also. So no problem in
Yes,
that.
sir. Yes.
So let me
Yes,
plan
sir.
it. Let
Definitely.
me plan it, and I will ask all the audience that whether you want some session, live skill session from Isha Singh or not. If you are interested, please let me know by commenting the in comment box, so that we will invite Isha Singh, CA Isha Singh, to
Yes, sir.
organize a seminar for life skills.
Definitely, sir.
Yeah,
Definitely.
yeah, we are
Great
planning
pleasure
it.
for me.
We are planning it.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Isha.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. हाँ, कर सकें.
Yes, sir.